Good morning, Internet. Welcome back to An Artist's Life, and today I'm starting out my video with coloring in or a watercolor study of my latest painting. Now, when I make paintings, I often start with a quick pencil sketch, and then I move on to the phase that you see here, which is an inked outline of the main body of the piece. In this case, it's going to be a figural with a woman and an animal. And then I go in and I digitally add watercolor. You can see on the upper left I have my palette for what I'm working on in this piece, which is just basically filling in the colors of the animal. I wanted her ginger or auburn hair to be pretty much indistinguishable from the fox. And then this will be a study, but often with my watercolor studies I often have them stand as a standalone piece as well. But this is just a step in the process of me. Next, I will be making this ready to become an oil painting. And part of that oil painting will also be my love of the decorative and fabric and wallpaper design. So my plan for this, if you can see, there's a sort of a dividing line between the background and the foreground. I'm going to be making and working on a design this week for a pattern that will work for both wallpaper and fabric. And then on the background and the foreground will either be two differing patterns of wallpaper, or possibly what I think I will do this week is I'm going to come up with my wallpaper design for the week, and then I will use two colorways. So in the background I'll probably do something in the blues, and then I'll have the same design I made for watercolor and wallpaper in different colorways, possibly a green as I'm using here, I haven't decided. And that way behind the figure and the animal will be a pattern that's basically a wallpaper and a fabric, and then below the fox will be the same pattern but in different colors. So I'm going to start sharing my art with you daily, as this is me making my life as an artist. So I'm not sure if it'll be interest, but let's go on with the rest of today's video. I thought I would do an update of the quail. When all was said and done, I ended up with 17 quail total, which is a good number to start out with, but when one considers I had about 75 eggs in the incubator, it's not a good hatch rate. But it's really hard to get things delivered today just because of the way the world is. But I'm pretty happy with these little guys, and this brooder is just temporary. They will be going into their new bigger home starting tomorrow. And that's going to really do it for me today, because I was thinking, I'm not really sure how I want to go forward. I do want to share my life here living on the sea, and I do want to share the things I'm going to be doing to fix up our home and our garden, but I'm also an artist first and foremost, and daily my main chore and job is to get artwork done. So I think I'm going to just be focusing more doing my artwork and sharing with you daily what that artwork will be. It's probably going to make for short videos. I don't know if it's going to make for interesting videos, but anyway, I will be sharing little bits of my sea view and things going on at the house, like the quail today and such, as part of each daily drawing video. So I'm not sure if that's going to be of interest, or if even it's going to be enough content to make videos daily, but we'll see what happens. So if you've enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And I hope you want to stick around. I am going to try to keep developing the style of how I make these videos, and maybe I'll finally hit on something that seems to be the right combination of what I enjoy doing and what at least someone enjoys watching. All right, well, that's it for me today. Cheers, and I'll see you tomorrow.